Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Indigo Park, which is a FNAF-inspired horror game.
Newfound paradise we welcome. Indigo Park offers a slice of the American dream to call your own. In this place, echoes of days gone are brought back to life as a new generation captures a glimpse of the
It's my first time playing the game, so if I'm quiet, it's just because I'm paying attention.
Unwavering truth that gave rise to our great nation. Here you embark on the journey of a lifetime, a place of creativity, joy,
Okay.
and happiness, where your
So from the looks of it, we're obsessed with this. Oh, it looks like we've been here before. It's like our favorite theme park. Interesting. Bird up. Oh, it's closed. Well, this looks cool. Alright. Welcome to Indigo Park. Birds of a Feather, Chapter 1. Let's go. Little raccoon down here. Wait, can I? No, he's gone. Okay. Where's the park at? Oh, sensitivity's a little high. That's alright though. Oh. Control the shift, or is it control the shift? Wow. You can't crouch in this game. You can sprint though. It's over here. Yo, what the? I'm guessing I have to come over.
Hi there, and welcome to Indigo Park, the world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience. Jump into the world of your favorite character. Wait, you're our first guest in 2,920 days.
Yo.
3 minutes and 38 seconds. Congratulations! I'm Ramley the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop on over to the registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
Very friendly indeed.
Hi, I'm Ramley the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered. Let me just get a good look at you. I don't seem to have your face in our guest list. Is this your first time here at the park, or did you just get plastic surgery? No worries, it's
Bro.
Ramley Tuesday, so you qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main gate. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Alright, can't wait either. Let's go to the main gate. So is he just like a TV dude? Yo.
What's the holdup?
Oh, I'm at the
gate
gate.
is open.
Oh.
Head on into the entryway.
Yeah, it's open.
Hold on. My mistake. The gate is not open.
Yeah, there you go.
Seems to be an error message being sent from the gate's power unit. Lucky you! You get to be the first person to try our
Yo, it's
turn
oh,
on the
what is this?
generator mini ramp adventure. Have fun!
I just picked up a lion. There's another one over here. Oh, these are cool. What the hell are these? So I have to go back in here? Where do I go? Oh, there's another one.
The Indigo Violet.
Oh, I found this on accident.
Generator.
Oh, there's a gear.
Inoperable. Looks like it's missing a piece.
Where's the gear?
Can you find it?
Trying to. There it is. Let's E to pick things up. Okay. Boom. I do not trust this generator. Like, I'm sorry, but... My brother and oh. Yeah, I figured that shifted a while ago. There. That should open the door. Okay. I'm in. What do I do? Press this?
Okay, for real this time.
There we
Welcome
go.
to Indigo Park.
Alright, now leave me alone. What's over here? Can't go in there. Guessing I can't go in any of these.
Silly Ramley. Every guest needs a critter cuff. That will allow you access to reserved
Oh, you
areas,
can jump.
charge payments to your room, and wear a critter cuff.
Oh, this is a hotel.
Just
Oh,
gift shop. Get in there and I'll get you set
wait.
up.
Can I not pick any more of these up? Enter here. The front desk?
There you go,
There
buddy.
you
Your very own critter cuff.
Where?
A new way to interact with the park. That also
Oh.
doubles as a pedometer, park monitor, and field rate.
Wait, what? How did these... Yeah, I bet that hurt. How do these still work?
Uh-oh. The door mysteriously locked.
Yo,
Why not test out your band and save the day?
do I say E? Yep. That's what you do in all these
Great work,
games.
buddy.
There we
Now
go.
try entering the park, and we can start our Indigo
Alright,
adventure.
is it this? Don't tell me there's gonna be an animation every time I do this. Yo, alright. The raccoon and a guy. Lit. Where am I going? Is there like a task or anything? The main... Nope. Sometimes games will have a task on the main menu. There's one here. Well, I'm ready to go. That was easy. Oh, that was behind me. What the hell happened? Yo? Okay. Cool. Alright, cool. What's over here? Yes, yes, yes. What's this? I'm happy I came in here. For multiple reasons. Not fine. This is cool. Where do I go? Here? No? This way?
Pardon our test, buddy. Looks like the park is going through some renovations. For
You
the
call it that.
inconvenience,
I
your
call it
Ramley
that.
Tuesday discount will be 3% off. Why not celebrate this great deal with a ride on my railroad? To test your sleuthing skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
But don't do that, asshole. I need help. Is it... Yo, wasn't there a picture here? Like... Alright, whatever. Alright, cool. How do I go through? What?
Facial data suggests
Oh,
you may be a bit
no,
over the
thank
target
you.
audience for this ride.
What was
It's
that?
one of my favorites. Do you know why Ramley the raccoon loves Ramley's Railroad?
What's that?
It's on the trains.
Huh. So do I. What a coincidence. I want to know what that bird was. What was that bird? That's a bird, right? I'm not, like, dripping? I'm not geeked. Alright, we on a train. This is a slow-ass train. With no ceiling. What's here? Rambley's Railroad. Alright, set.
Welcome to Ramley's Railroad. I'm
Oh.
Conductor Ramley.
Hi. Hey, you tweaking, bro. Please get away from me before I call CPS. Can I, like, not do this? It's kind of tight. Yo, it's dark in here, bro.
Oh, look, it's Molly McCall.
It's Molly McCall.
That's what I saw.
Greatest pilot you ever saw.
Wait,
You sure are, Molly. Why, you only crashed
That's
into
a
6
girl?
cars this week.
I'm not crashing, Ramsey.
yo, I thought that was a guy.
What's brainstorming?
It's crashing. Smile. It barely hurts at all. Say, those young adventurers you got along with you look like great pilots. Why not try again?
Yeah, probably better pilot, you know.
Rooftop racing.
Please. What? Yo. Yo, no, hey, shut. Get me out of here. Yo. What is it with this? No, thank you. What is that? Oh, it's another bird. That bird, like, I thought that was a guy. I'm sorry, that model looks like that model. I thought I saw the freaking eyes again. That model looks like a dude, I'm sorry.
Oh, Finley, come on out and greet the people.
Finley? Is that blood?
Why the long face and body?
Bro.
You've known me for 100 years, Rambley. I'm always long because I'm always longing for a new seashell for my collection.
Oh, Finley, you should
Cool.
come out of your shell.
Kill yourself.
Come into it instead. My ride, Oceanic Odyssey.
Yo, I actually like the ocean though. I'm gonna have to take you up on that offer. I just need help locating it.
I hope you'll visit.
Yeah, I'll visit it, bro.
Oceanic Odyssey, currently closed.
What did you say? Are you like? Please, no bird. I feel like if that bird wanted to, it could have killed me by now. What's over? Yo. Oh, it's all broken. It's been at least like 10 years since someone actually was here. Why is there just like my brother? Yo, he's tweaking. Yo, nope. Who died? Yo, how? Hello, like, what? Who are you? Yo, what is that? Like, what do you want me to do, bro? Not my fault this dude's bugging out. What? Oh, it's back here. Jump. Wait. No, it's not. How do I get it back up and run? Yo. He's bugging, bro. I'll run the rest. Nah, actually, there's a killer bird. Oh, it's in here. Oh, the bird's gonna be in. Get the hell away from me. Yo, he's tweaking. I need gears. If I go back there, and the bird's gone, I'm crashing out. Bird, do you have a gear? Are you like alive? No? Good to know. Gotta be over here. Yo, stop bugging, bro. Oh. Alright. Let's get back on the ride. This is the best ride in the entire park. Yo, you better not be tweaking. Are we not going to talk about your damn near panic attack you just had? What's next? I just feel like the freaking bird. I hate that bird. See if anyone hit me up. No one? I'm losing my popularity.
Hey there, boy.
Do not shame me with that common folk
Yo, this is
name.
cool.
I am the proud, the prestigious, the
Yo.
professional Lloydfoot Air Lion.
I feel like the bird's gonna be in this fucking window.
Great act line.
Yo, get away from me. Yo. We ain't about to do that. We ain't about to do that. Like, no. Mm-mm. I'm good on that one, bro. Yo. It's bugging. There we go. Oh.
So, what do you think? Pretty fun,
I
right?
think I need to
Now you
leave
know all about my
immediately.
friends and Lloyd. So, where do you want to go?
Home. Preferably. Oh, is this out? Yeah, let's go to Lloyd. I would love to see. Oh, there's a Ferris wheel out there. How does that have power? Yo, the bird's out here, bro. I hate that thing. I'm sorry. I hate that thing. Anyone new? What? Oh. What? What do you mean? That's stupid. Okay. Well, where do you want me to come next? Like, that's a serious question. Do I just, like, run? I think the clock...
Buddy, come over here.
What? Where?
This here is an information kiosk. If there's anything around the park you want to ask me about,
didn't it?
just stop by
When I
here
picked
and
up
I'll ramble
that toy.
on about it.
Yeah, let me see this.
Oh, I got this. I know the commercial by heart.
Wow, it's the unlimited edition Bradley the Raccoon action figure. Push him down
Oh,
and
you
he
good,
jumps.
bro?
Push him up and he doesn't. Only $19.99 at your favorite toy
Push him
store.
up. Yeah, nice one. I'm feeling easy as a kid. Look for a patient. Oh. It isn't. Oh. I gotta use Lloyd one. You're always one of my favorites.
Ew, Lloyd.
Say, wait, what did you say? Wait.
Ew, Lloyd.
Yeah, ew, Lloyd. That's funny.
Congratulations! You found me! Don't I look adorable?
You could say.
You found my buddy Finley. You know, he's really shy. Like, too shy. Like, obnoxiously shy.
Yo,
He's got a good heart. I hope you get to meet him someday.
I think Rambley's off of something. Like, not trying to be rude, but he's definitely off of something. Oh, I can go in here. No? Is that a hotel? It's a gift shop.
Well, look at that! You're at Jetstream Junction!
Oh,
Oops!
it's
Looks
the
like Jetstream
freaking
Junction's being
bird.
tuned up. Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can help you get in.
Think it's open? No. Yep, so I was right. You know, we just had to go to Lloyd's main stage. I want to see Lloyd. He looks like a cool character. I think I'm gonna use the picture of that bird as like a thumbnail. I feel like that'll look good. So is it on here or is it in here? Oh, it's in here. Maybe if there's something that can like surprise me here, I'll get this. Alright, man. Yo. 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 Wait. Alright. Guys, I think I'm going to end part 1 there. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.